My mind is clear now. At last, all too well, I can see where we all soon will be. If you strip away the myth from the man, you will see where we all soon will be. Jesus, you started to believe the things they say of you. You really do believe this talk of God is true. And all the good you've done will soon get swept away. You've begun to matter more than the things you say. Jesus, I don't like what I see. All I ask is that you listen to me. And remember, I've been your right-hand man all along. You have set them all on fire. They think they found the new Messiah. And they'll hurt you when they find they're wrong. I remember when this whole thing began. No talk of God, then we called you a man. And believe me, my admiration for you hasn't died. But every word you say today gets twisted round some other way. And they'll hurt you if they think you lied. Nazareth, your famous son, should have stayed a great unknown like his father carving wood. He'd have looked good. Wooden chair and oaken chest would have suited Jesus best. He'd have caused nobody harm, no one alarm. Listen, Jesus, do you care for your race? Don't you see, we must keep in our place. We are occupied. Have you forgotten how put down we are? Frightened by the crowd. Oh, we are getting much too loud. And they'll crush us if we go too far. If we go too far. Listen, Jesus, to the warning I give. Don't you see that I want us to live? And it's sad to see our chances weakening every hour. All our followers are blind. Too much heaven on their minds. It was beautiful, but now it's sour. Yes, it's all gone sour. It's all gone sour.
Sir, you have just embodied what this evening is all about, which is cute white boys ripping their faces off.